students, after adverb of manner, we will learn adverb of place. As I told you, adverb of place tells that where something has happened, and adverbs of time tell that when something happened. Okay, so let us do the exercise further. Choose the correct adverb of manner to fill in the blanks. Adverb of manner which answers how the action has been done. Many people treat animals quickly or badly. Which will come? Quickly, how can they treat animal like quickly is not suitable to the sentence. So, badly. Don't get confused, okay, in adjective or adverb. Adjective tells more about a noun and adverb tells more about a verb. He ran dash fast or fastly but missed the bus. Now fast, how we can write fast? No, fastly. Fastly is an adverb now. We are doing adverbs. But he missed the bus. He put the money in his pocket. Loudly or carefully? How he will put the money? Loudly or carefully? Carefully. He looked dash at the old beggar. Sweetly, kindly. How he will look at the beggar? Kindly. The boy answered hungrily or rudely? Hungrily. How someone can answer hungrily? So rudely. She studied sincerely or bravely? We study sincerely, na? Not bravely. We fight, or soldiers fight bravely. Here sincerely. So like this you have to use your sense while choosing the correct answer. It can be both the options will be adverb or maybe not, but you have to read the sentence and just think that which word suits to that sentence. You should drive dash dangerously or carefully? Carefully. Pets should be looked after hardly or lovingly? Lovingly. The horse neighed softly or carefully in the stable? Softly. You should speak carelessly or politely? Politely. How can we say advise anybody to speak carelessly? And underline the adverb of time. Now adverbs of time. Did you go to the market yesterday? So here yesterday word is defining that is telling that how the person when the person has gone to the market yesterday. Okay, I bought a pen today. So these words yesterday, today, soon, now, and always or tomorrow are telling that when the action has been done. Okay, so this is so simple. These further sentences you will solve by yourself. Now this exercise is about fill in the blank using adverb of place. Now place, you have to choose the suitable word. The girls are going dash to their bedroom. So maybe upstairs. Okay. Look dash, there is a shooting star. Look up. To watch a star, you will look up now. Trina couldn't find her bag. Here. My mother is going out. It is raining outside. Come dash at once. Now here come out will come, and here anywhere. So this such kind of confusion you can also have. Okay, just you have to be very careful. Write whether the underlined words are adverb of manner, place or time. Now as you know that adverb of manner tells that how the action has done, or adverb of place answered that where the action happened, and time when action happened. Now the fish swam away quickly. Quickly tells how. Okay, so it means it is adverb of manner. You will write completely like adverb of manner. Ravi will come to my house soon. Soon is telling the time or place. Time, right? So it means adverb of time. Don't look up at the sun. Up means where. Where to look? Up means place. Okay. We will go out to play now. Now here underline word we have to tell na, out. Where? Out means place. The players cheered loudly. How they are cheering? Loudly means manner. Adverbs of manner. He speaks politely. How he speaks? Politely means it is also telling how the action has done, means manner. Adverb of manner. The dog ran fast. Fast, manner. Okay. The driver is waiting outside for you. So what we will fill? Outside. Where? Outside is answering where the action happened. So place. So that's how you will fill the exercise. Okay. Thank you.